Hello, my dear magical friends. Welcome back to where magic and creativity flow together like a gentle stream through the forest. Today, we're diving into the heart of witchcraft, the creation of a book of shadows. Join me in my enchanted cottage, nestled within the magical forest, as we craft a book filled with spells, visions, and the very essence of nature's magic. Every book of shadows begins with inspiration, and for me, that inspiration comes from the forest. As the morning light filters through the trees, I walk along the mossy paths, collecting leaves, flowers, and small stones, nature's gifts to adorn the pages of my book. Each element holds a story, a piece of the earth's magic that I'll carry into my sacred space. This connection with nature is the foundation of my book of shadows, grounding it in the beauty and wisdom of the natural world. With the forest's energy still fresh in my mind, I return to my cottage to design the cover of my book of shadows. This is where the magic begins, where I set the tone for the pages within. I choose a sturdy, leather-bound journal, its texture reminiscent of the trees that surround my home. Using natural dyes and paints, I create symbols of protection and power, infusing the cover with my intentions. The cover is more than just decoration. It's a spell in itself, a gateway into the magical world that lies within. A book of shadows is not just a place for spells, it's a canvas for your dreams and visions. One of my favorite practices is creating vision boards within its pages, using collage images to bring my desires to life. I gather pictures that resonate with my goals, images of nature, symbols of abundance, and scenes that evoke the emotions I wish to manifest. As I arrange them on the page, I can feel the magic taking shape, each image a piece of the puzzle that will become my reality. Tarot and astrology are powerful tools for understanding the self and the universe, and they hold a special place in my book of shadows. I select a few tarot cards that speak to my current journey, the Empress for creativity, the Star for hope, and press them between the pages, letting their energy seep into the book. Next, I draw an astrology chart, mapping the stars and planets that influence my life. These pages are a reflection of the cosmic forces that guide me, a reminder that we are all connected to something greater. No book of shadows is complete without spells and rituals, the heart of a witch's practice. I take a moment to write down a new spell, one for inviting more joy and abundance into my life. With each word, I feel the energy of the spell growing stronger, the magic taking form on the page. This is a living document, one that evolves with me, each spell a testament to the power of intention and belief. Nature's magic is woven into every page of my book of shadows. I press leaves and flowers between the pages, their colours and textures bringing the forest into my book.
Well, I am back from my evening walk, and I just wanted to say thank you again for joining me today. And I also wanted to say that I'm really looking forward to sharing with you more about my life here in this enchanted cottage surrounded by this magical forest. And soon I will also be giving you a tour of my metaphysical bookshop called The Magical Arts. So I just want to say, I hope you have a blessed day and that you're surrounded by magic and enchantment. All my love to you.